spacing here. So here LA means this is only symmetrical spacing. When unsymmetrical spacing, that means there is no equal spacing. Due to unequal spacing, what happens? Unequal inductances are existed because of flux linkages are not same, because of flux linkages are depends upon distance of separation of conductors, and inductance can also depends upon distance of separation. So due to unequal spacing or distance between the conductors, flux linkages are unequal. Finally, inductances are also unequal. Due to unequal inductances, unequal voltage drops exist in three phases, even if the conductors are balanced. Conductor currents are balanced. Conductor voltages are unequal. Voltage drops are unequal. Then at receiving end side also, these three-phase voltages are unequal. So to avoid this problem, in order that voltage drops are equal in all conductors, we generally interchange the positions of the conductors at regular intervals along the line so that each conductor occupies the original position of every other conductor over an equal distance. Such an exchange of positions is known as transposition. This is a simple transposition. This is also having three phases A, B, and C. This 1, 2, 3 represents the positions of a conductor. At this place, conductor A position is 1. At this place, conductor B position is 2. Conductor C position is 3. But while coming to this place, conductor C position is 1. Conductor A position is 2. Conductor B position is 3. Rejected. This is a wrong order taken. See here. C is connected to 3 here. Is it right now? Third position. A is connected to position 1 and B is connected to 2. This is as usual position. Rejected. So then again what happened here means this C is connected to this one, third position. B is connected to this one, second position. A is connected to this position. That is what happened. Positions are always the same. Conductor A is at a position 1. Conductor B is at a position 2. Conductor C at a position 3. That's why we are already defined such an exchange of positions. Rejected. In a regular intervals along the line so that each conductor occupies original position of every other conductor over an equal distance. Like this, we are taking a transposition of conductors. What happened means the distance between A and B, A and C, B and C, C and A is equal. Rejected. That is the need of a transposition in order to make the equal inductance for all phases, equal flux linkages for all phases. In order to make the three-phase voltages are equal, we will use a transposition of line. So here, the phase conductors are designated as A, B, C, and the positions are occupied are number 1, 2, 3. The effect of transposition is that each conductor has same average inductance, and from this same voltage drop of three-phase conductors. So here also you can assume that 3 sections each 1 meter length and assumed further balanced condition, that is IA plus IB plus IC. Then the line currents are IA is equal to IB is equal to IC because of IA, IB, IC are what happened here? Vector quantities here. So due to this vector operation, what happened? Every vector operator having certain direction. That's why those vector operators can be multiplied with A. And one more thing is that here, these are the 3 phase current. Those 3 are phase sequence with 120 degrees. Always we have 3 phase system phase sequence is 120 degrees. This point we will note down from circuit theory. Is it electrical circuits? That's why that IA is multiplied with operator A and IB is multiplied with operator A square. And because of any vector quantity during its direction, it is multiplied with a constant for our analysis. A cube into IC. So A is simply 1 plus J0. That's why I into 1 plus J0. And A square means 1 plus J0 whole square. That means what happened? Minus 0.5. A into A simply. Minus 0.5. Minus J into 0.866. And IC means A cube into IC. That's why A cube means I into minus 0.5 plus J into 0.8. You can try it, no problem. 1 plus J0 into 1 plus J0. And again 1 plus J0 into 1 plus J0 into 1 plus J0. Not at all a problem here. So then these are the phase currents. That the phase currents are represented like this. These are line currents. Sorry, very sorry. These are not phase currents, line current. There is a difference between line currents and phase currents. So this is line current. So this is the total flux linkages per meter length of conductor A is like this. This is the conclusion made from the equal spacing conductors, not a final equation, that is before that equation. That is psi A is equal to mu naught by 2 pi 1 by 4 minus log e to the r into IA minus IB log e d3 minus IC log e d2. Is it? So then putting the values of IA, IC, we get these IA, IB, IC also values are substituted in psi A. We get psi A is equal to mu naught into 2 pi 1 by 4 minus log e r into I minus I into like this. So in this equation, how to again simplify that like this. Is it? Like this means here it is multiplied with I. Each term 1 by 4 into I minus log e r into I like this. After that, 1 by 4 into I minus I log e r, that means we will make a common here like this. Common terms we are taken. So after that, if you can observe here, this 0.5 is there. It's a coefficient which can be represented as whole to the power, and log d3 plus log d2 is nothing but log m into n. That's why log d3 into d2, and 0.5 is the whole to the power of 1 by 2. That's why here it is I into not conjugate, simply I into log e into square root of d2 d3, and here minus is there. That's why d3 by d2. So then from this is a simple equation, same equation here, and here it is that I get common here. So then mu naught I by 2 pi 1 by 4 plus log e square root of d2 d3 by r plus j into 0.866 log e d3 by d2, and inductance of conductor A is, this is only flux linkages of conductor A in unequal spacing. Then inductance is psi A by IA. Then IA got cancelled out. Then what happened here? Mu naught by 2 pi 1 by 4 into I plus. So that means here mu naught by 2 pi into 1 by 4. This is not this equation. No, this is wrong. So this is the final equation. Mu naught means 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Is it? Then further simplification. Here 2 pi, 4 pi, only 2 is there. 2 can goes to the inner side. 10 to the power of minus 7, 1 by 2, 2 log the like that. Similarly, inductance of conductor B and conductor C like this. This is in terms of D3, D1, D1, D3. Similarly, inductance of conductors C and A here like this we can write LP, LC. So finally, inductance of each line conductor is 1 by 3 into LA plus LB plus LC. We can add like this. What happened? 1 by 2 plus simplification. 1 by 3 into LA is there, LB is there, LC is there. We will do that simplification, no problem. 1 by 2 plus 2 log E cube the root of D1, D2, D3 by R into 10 power minus 7 Henry per meter. This is for unequal spacing, inductance of each line conductor. And finally, it is further simplification, 0.5, 1 by 2. So like that, we have to calculate. For a three-phase system, in equal spacing and unequal spacing, inductance calculation. In that, very important concept is concept of self-GMD and mutual GMD. Why these are discussed means these simple determination of self-GMD and mutual GMD gives the simplification of inductance calculation in the transmission system. So that's why here The use of self-geometrical mean distance, and this can be abbreviated as self-GMD, and mutual geometrical mean distance, mutual GMD, simplifies the inductance calculation, particularly relating to multi-conductor arrangements, transposition arrangements. So the symbols used for these are for self-GMD DS and for mutual GMD DM. Self-GMD is nothing but geometrical mean distance. Sometimes it is also called as geometrical mean radius, GMR. So then we know that inductance per conductor per meter, is it? So 2 into 10 power minus 7, 1 by 4 plus log E d by R. So then here from this 2 into 10 power minus 7, 1 by 4, like this we can expand. Then what happened here means, so here is also for this calculation also, no problem. So then, so for a solid conductor of radius, self GMD or GMR is equal to 0.7788 R. We are already calculated this, but the thing is, we are eliminated 2 into 10 power minus 7 into 1 by 4. Because of this 1 by 4 means which is due to internal flux. In the previous class, we are also discussing internal we are simplified because of here extra more conductors are there, multiple conductors. External we have to calculate, that is important for mutual inductance. That's why we can eliminate 2 into 10 power minus 7 into 1 by 4. Then finally, inductance per conductor per meter is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 log E d by ds, where ds is the self GMD or GMR simply, which is equal to 0.7788 R, where R is the radius of a conductor, where R is the radius of conductor. Like this we can calculate self GMD. If a self GMD is a known value, that ds can be substituted here. We can easily calculate inductance per conductor per meter. Is it? Next up, mutual GMD. See here, mutual GMD is the geometrical mean of the distances from one conductor to the other, and therefore must be between the largest and the smallest such distance. So that's why, in fact, mutual GMD simplify represents the equivalent geometrical spacing, where dm is nothing but spacing between the conductors, that can be represented with a d. So that's the dm. The mutual GMD between two conductors, assuming that spacing between conductors is large compared to the diameter of each conductor, is equal to the distance between the conductors. Dm is equal to spacing between conductor, that is equal to d. This is for spacing between two conductors is a single phase system. The mutual GMD is equal to simply spacing between the conductors, d, small d. And for three-phase conductors, we have to calculate the mutual GMD. See here, what is that? Means d1, d2, d3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Rejected, whole to the power of. Here whole to the power of 1 by 3 means it is cube root because of. See here, in the each conductor calculation, see here, inductance of each line conductor. This is nothing but mutual GMD. This is the radius of conductor. Mutual GMD is a cube root of d1, d2, d3, right? So that's why the mutual GMD for three-phase system to the equilateral spacing, cube root of d1, d2, d3. Even though if it is unequal spacing, we are used transposer line, and that will converted into equal spacing. Then dm is equal to cube root of d1, d2, d3 whole cube. Then finally, inductance formulas in terms of GMD. Single phase line, inductance per conductor per meter, that is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 log E dm by ds, where dm is the geometrical mean distance, that means mutual distance here, not self. So that is equal to small d, and ds is the geometrical mean distance or GMR, geometrical mean radius, that is equal to r dash 0.877 into r. But dm is only small d in a single phase system. mutual mean distance, geometrical mean distance, mutual distance between three conductors. Is that right? Mutual GMD. DM is the mutual GMD. For single phase, it is only small d. And for three phase single circuit line means each phase conductor having only one conductor. This A, phase B, phase C. But double circuit line of three phase line means every three phase line having double circuit nowadays, because of phase A having two conductors, phase B having two conductors, phase C having two conductors. That means phase A dash, two conductors. Phase B dash, two conductors. Phase C dash, two conductors. So that's why here, after we will discuss double circuit line, first single circuit line of three phase line. So the inductance per phase per meter is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 log E dm by ds. Then ds is 0.7788 or common. This is common, but dm is the cube root of d1 d2 d. Like this, we can calculate inductance from the GMD. So then, like from this, we can do one problem here. Find the inductance per kilometer of a three-phase transmission line using 1.24 centimeter diameter conductors when these are placed at the corners of an equilateral triangle of each side 2 meters. Equilateral triangle means three sides are equal. Their spacing between three phase conductors is equal. That's why which is symmetrical spacing. Then inductance of formula is, see here, inductance per phase per meter 10 to the power of minus 7 into 0.5 plus 2 log E d by r. And in the given problem, diameter is 1.24 centimeter and spacing is 2 meter. If we can substitute those values, this is the inductance in millihenry, 1.2 millihenry. Is it like this? We can do the problems. In the next problem, see here, the three conductors of a three-phase line are arranged at the corners of a triangle of sides 2 meter, 2.5 meter, and 4.5 meter. Calculate the inductance per kilometer of the line, and when the conductors are regularly transposed, the diameter of each conductor is 1.24 centimeter. Here, if we can observe here, the lines are arranged at the corners of triangle of sides 2 meter, 2.5 meter, and 4.5 meter means here the sides are not equal, and finally the separation between three conductors also not equal. That's why it is unsymmetrical spacing between three phase conductor. That's why we will make transposition. Then in this case we have to determine the inductance per kilometer of the line here. So in the given data, the conductors of three phase line placed at the corners of a triangle of size. See here, 2 meters. That means the spacing between conductor 1 and conductor 2. D12 is equal to 2 meters. D23 is equal to 2.5 meter. D31 is equal to 4.5 meter. And finally, the conductor radius R is equal to 1.24 by 2. That is equal to 0.62 centimeters. Is it? It is what happened here. Diameter is given. Then we will convert the diameter into radius 0.62 centimeters. And finally, equivalent spacing D equivalent is equal, that means GMD, mutual distance, is cube root of D1. Like it, we can calculate. D12 is there, D23 is there, D31 is there, this cube root. Then finally, inductance per phase per meter is equal to, we have the formula 10 to the power of minus 7.5 plus 2 log E dm by ds. Is it? ds means what here? Radius 0.866 or simply 0.62. Not at all a problem in that. So then, so continuation. So here the continuation is inductance per phase per meter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 into 0.5 plus 2 log E 282 by 0.62 Henry. So that means here finally 12.74 into 10 power minus 7 Henry. So this is per meter, but we want per kilometer. That's why we will multiply it with 1000. So then finally the inductance is 1.274 millihenry. Like this, you have to calculate the inductance for equal spacing and unequal spacing. Like this, we can calculate the inductances are in equal spacing and unequal spacing. Equal spacing means simply the formula like this. LA is equal to 10 power minus 7.5 plus 2 log d by r. But unequal spacing means the formula like this. 10 power minus 7.5 plus 2 log e to 82 by 0.6. Okay, thank you.